My name is Darren Sroyce. I'm from Fayetteville, North Carolina, and I designed the RASP for CRKT and the Forged by War program. So I'm a 25-year veteran. I joined the Army in 1989 when I was 20 years old. I did 11 consecutive rotations in Iraq. I retired as a Sergeant Major in 2014, and I got brought into CRKT 2 years ago, and I've been with CRKT since then. So the RASP is named for Rescue and Special Purpose, but not a lot of people know this. If you want to become a Ranger, you have to go through this program called the RASP, Ranger Assessment and Selection Program. It's probably the most grueling 3 weeks of hell any human being could ever possibly go through. Having been a Ranger, I really like the name RASP, so I designed the knife and named it in that honor, but we'll just call it the Rescue and Special Purpose. So I designed the knife mainly for tactical purposes. Anatomically, every hand has a specific angle where the index finger and the thumb indexes, and I designed the blade to match that angle. It's about a 45 degree. I designed the spine of the blade to fit in the palm so it's comfortable. There's nothing flat in your palm, so the top of the spine shouldn't be flat. So it's got a stonewash finish. It's not black, but it's not shiny. And it'll always be dull. You don't have to worry about it reflecting sunlight in your pocket or it being shiny in any type of situation. I designed it with the frame lock as opposed to a liner lock. It's a lot beefier because you're actually using a portion of the frame to slide over and lock the blade in. Dual engagement, you got a thumb stud and you got a flipper. You can either use your thumb or you've got a nice tab up here. The thumb stud is reversible, so lefties can engage it both with the flipper and the thumb. Super smooth action, it's got roller bearings, closes real nice, opens real nice, almost effortlessly. So CRKT did a great job. I picked up knife making sort of as a hobby, but the underlining benefits of knife making is keeps my mind away from things I shouldn't be thinking about. As a veteran, we all know what we're talking about. So to be brought in on this Forged by War program is literally a dream come true. CRKT asked us veteran designers, what is your charity? What is your passion? So for every knife that CRKT sells with my name on it, the nonprofit that I support gets 10% of that sale, which is phenomenal. So my charity is the Purple Heart Homes. They're out of Charlotte, North Carolina, and they provide housing solutions for disabled veterans. And I'm so happy that CRKT donates to that charity because they do really, really good work. You can learn more about the Purple Heart Homes charity by going to phhusa.org, and you can learn more about the Forged by War program by going to crkt.com. I'm Darren Sroyce, and I designed the RASP for CRKT.